Alright, take a look at the double handle grease gun coupler. So one thing that immediately stands out on this one is that this is fairly narrow. So this is about the same size as most grease gun couplers, where most of these that have these trigger assemblies, they're usually very thick, so it's hard to actually fit them in small areas. But this one will work perfectly fine. I also like to see that we actually have a metal connector right here. Very strong feeling spring on there. These handles are rubber dipped, which is kind of nice. It actually makes it feel a little better in the hand. What's going to be nice about this is that when you have to put this into a tight area, the standard grease gun coupler, you have to kind of bend it off. But if there's not enough room to do that, then you're going to be in trouble. With this one, you can insert it straight in, close it down, grease it up, open it up, pull it back out. So very nice to have. So there we go. Yep, that should work no problem. Oh yeah. That is way easy. Especially for tight areas. That just makes your life so much nicer. The fact that with a normal greaser, you can get it off just by twisting it like that. But if you got one of those long handled grease guns, you move that around a lot and it'll just pop it right off and you got grease everywhere. So this is a very nice little tool.